Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. As we know that we have discussed the topic an extraordinary fate. And we had studied the word meaning. So at first, before discussing the topic in details and extraordinary fate, we have to know what does the real meaning of extraordinary and what is the real meaning of fate. Too marvelous and too important to know it. So I mean to say extraordinary means unexpected. And fate means an action. In fact, whenever you will study, you will read the story of an extraordinary fate, you will better understand the theme of the story. So firstly, I want to tell you this is a story related from Olympic Games, and I want to ask you a question. When did Olympic game start around? This is the first question. So I think this was started all around 776 BC, and modern Olympic games game was started in 1896 by Fairey. This is the name of the person, one who had started. So this is the theme you have to know. It's essential. Without this, you will have no vast idea to tackle the story, to tackle the summary of an extraordinary fate. So the matter begins on 25th May 1935 at the Big Ten track and field championship at an athletic field in the University of Michigan. Michigan is the name of the place. It is situated in America. And the matter is already related from the University of Michigan. And the topic is already related with athletic fields and talking about the field championship. Jesse Owens, this is name, sat nursing his injured back. He was not really sure whether he would be able to complete even one race that day. Who was suffering? He was not well from his injured back. He was not really sure. That means lack of confidence, because he was in great problem whether he would be able to complete even one race that day. कि कम से कम वह उस दिन तक ठीक हो जाए और कम से कम एक रेस को पूरा करे. रेस मीन्स दौड़ होता है. वैसे रेस मीन्स क्या होता है? दौड़ होता है. दौड़ एनिमल का भी होता है, ह्यूमन का भी होता है, बट ओलंपिक में ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ही भाग लेते हैं. He consulted his university coach, Larry Sander, and they decided that Owens should just take one event at a time. At the same time, he consulted his university coach. उसने अपने यूनिवर्सिटी के कोच से कंसल्ट किया, जिसका नाम whose name was Larry Snyder, जिसका नाम लैरी था, and they decided that Owens should just take one event at a time. उन्होंने निर्णय लिया to see the circumstances of Jesse Owens. He decided that Owens should just take one event at a time. Who decided that? Was decided by the Larry Snyder. So great things. One who wanted to give a chance, great opportunity to Jesse Owens, and through that he could prove he was fit and he can take a part in that race. After each event, they would decide whether Owens would participate in the next. And the condition is given also here. After each event means घटना, they would decide, वे लोग डिसाइड करते थे या करेंगे whether Owens would participate in the next, कि नेक्स्ट रेस में ओवेंस जो है सो पार्टिसिपेट करेगी या नहीं करेगी. दिस मैटर डिपेंड्स ऑन लैरी स्नाइडर because he had given a chance to him, depending on how bad Owens' back felt. All this matter depends on Owens' back felt. So, seeing the condition of Owens' back felt, they could decide he can take another chance, he can get another chance in next race or not. So firstly, the first chance he got after consulting the university coach, and he decided to give the chance to Jesse Owens. So this is the great things and golden opportunity for Jesse Owens, and how he worked and how he won the faith of the university coach. We shall read in next class, but today we have discussed about first para and when it started, when it began, and after that we have known the two people. Number one, Jesse Owens, one who wanted to take some chance to complete the race, one race, and second one, the university coach Larry Snyder, one who decided to give the chance in one event at a time. After analyzing, they would decide Owens would participate in the next or not. So all those things depend on the condition of Owens backfelt, and we shall absorb a lot of knowledge after reading the text. So it's my suggestion, you will have to read the text again and again. After reading that, the whole theme you will able to understand, and you can create some difference whenever you will write the question answer and whenever you will express the summary according to your thoughts. So very important topic according to Standard 7, and I think you are enjoying to read it, and we have discussed from starting to Owens backfelt. So which type of conditions is here we understood and we saw. But from at 3:15 p.m. we have to start in next class, and this is given in page number 1, and the second one, the page number 2, we have to read. So firstly, I want to tell you it is essential for all of you, which is given in blue box, and this is the statement we have to explain and we have to think about because it relates from the story. Number first, what qualities do you think are essential to pursue one's goals? And number 2, what quality does Louis Long display by advising Jesse Owens? These are the 2 factors, these are the 2 statements, and how you will express your views according to the topic you will have to think yourself. After thinking, you can express your views, either it will be right or wrong, it doesn't matter. But firstly, you have to express your views after understanding the theme which is already related from the topic and extraordinary fit. So it's very important, and I think you will try yourself. In next class I will discuss on it in details from 2 books, what you are getting, what you are acquiring. It's very essential, and I mean to say I will explain those kinds of statement which is provided in your book, and according to this topic and this theme we shall better understand the topic of an extraordinary fit. Okay, so try to understand and try to read it by heartily, and you will have to maintain the power of study. After that you are able to understand our videos class. Okay, thanks.